2004 Dodge Ram. I thought the transmission was bad. I think it still is. I'm not sure yet. Didn't do the repairs yet. Looked at a couple of forums. They said to replace the sensor and the solenoid, transmission sensor and the solenoid. And what my symptoms are is starts off in third gear, no first or second. I can't do it manually. There is no, it takes off in third gear. There's no overdrive or anything. Here's what I've done. Drop the pan and about to install. I got the two new ones. Bought a Borg, which is more heavy duty than the stock one. So I'm going to install it, see what happens. Today is December 6th. It's about 1 o'clock. Making a video. Put the solenoid and the sensor in, and it seems to work fine now. I had it advertised for 55. Prices went up to 65. Only because of the DMV fees if you're in California. DMV fees are $2,800, around $2,900. But let's take it on a test drive and show you. I'm on the side road, so there is no one for me to hit for all those commenting on talking with the cell phone in my hand, making a video. It shifts every gear now. Shift. First I was stuck in third gear, now it seems to work just fine. Overdrive now. All the shift points, all the time. Miles an hour. Before I was at 50 miles an hour, over 2,000 RPMs, but I didn't have an overdrive. Okay, on both of these solenoids, one of them I was getting a reading. This is the one that came out the truck. I'm getting a reading 2.3. With this one, I'm getting a 3.9. That let me know that this one was bad, so I went on ahead and bought two new ones, installed them. Transmission is just fine. Where's the box? This is what I bought. Part numbers right here. Shifts just fine.